Welcome back! It's time for another tech tip with Appliance Video. Today we are going to take a look at how to revive your rusty dishwasher rack. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. So, you've had your dishwasher for quite a long time, and you've noticed the dishwasher rack is a bit rusty, and some of the tines might even have broken, becoming a makeshift shank waiting to impale you the next time you load a dirty plate. But before you decide to toss it out, replace the dish rack, or even replace your dishwasher, let's go over how you can bring it back to life.
Alive! It's alive!
And keep some money in your pocket. While plastic dishwasher racks are becoming more popular, metal racks have been the go-to choice for appliance manufacturers for quite a long time. Unfortunately, it's very common to open a dishwasher and find a few broken tines. Over the years of wear and tear, the protective covering on the tines can begin to crack and come off, usually resulting in a mess of rust, which is the last thing anyone wants near their clean dishes. Not only is this unsightly, but the rust can even begin to leave streaks on your clean dishes and stain your dishwasher. Whether you're on a budget or not, purchasing a new dishwasher rack can be expensive, at upwards of $240. So why not save money where you can? The cheapest option you can try is a dishwasher rack repair kit. Many appliance manufacturers produce these, and there are several generic options available as well. These usually include a protective paint that comes in a brush bottle, or a rack coating glue with replacement caps. To make the process easy on yourself, you will want to remove your dishwasher rack. Majority of the time, we'll find clips at the front of the rack rails that could be opened or removed, allowing you to fully remove your rack. Sometimes it may be easier where you can simply pull forward and lift if the rack is not attached to rails. The first thing that you will want to do is rough up these tines beforehand to make the glue more effective. While you can use sandpaper, we recommend using a rotary tool with a wire brush attachment to remove the rust until you reach fresh metal. Then snip off any corroded tips of the tines. Lastly, you can paint and recap your tines per instructions of your kit and allow your rack to dry. Another method some DIYers recommend is using a repair putty like Subaru to cap your broken tines, although we still recommend cleaning off the rust beforehand. With this easy DIY project, your dishwasher rack will look as good as new and save you a couple of $100s. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.